What's going on, everybody? This is your boy James from Forte, and as y'all know, I'm back here at the shop Euro Empire, and today we're going to be installing my carbon fiber front lip. That's right, this is lip number 2. For those that don't know, my other lip that I had got, rest in peace to it, wherever it is on the highway, it's gone. So I had to end up picking up another lip, which is the one I got now. I bought this lip from Rush Customs. I'll be putting their information down below. So y'all can check them out, see what other products they have. They got this lip shipped out to me super fast. They're in Atlanta. I'm in Charlotte, so it's not really that far. But they still got it shipped out. It was packaged immaculate, man. They did like a little smart packaging in the box, where they had like a box inside of a box, so it can make sure the lip doesn't move in shipping. So really good job on them. Thank you, Rush Customs, for getting that shipped out to me so super quick. So now let's go ahead and get to the install of this carbon fiber lip. Oh, and also I got the 3D style lip. So I haven't seen many M3s or M4s with this style of lip, so that's the reason why I picked it up again for the second time. All right, so let's go ahead and get to this install. All right, guys, so here is the 3D front lip right there. So you can kind of see what it looks like right there. So it looks real good. It has got a nice glossy carbon fiber finish. I'm trying to hold it back as far away from the camera as I can, but yeah, that's kind of what it looks like. So now I'm just going to test fit it on the car so y'all can kind of see what it looks like. I'll also be putting up pictures right now of the pictures that I took with the previous lip, because this is pretty much the same type lip, so y'all can kind of see how it's going to look on the car. All right. All right, guys, so as y'all see right here, I'm underneath the car. So what we're gonna do is, these are 8mm bolts. So I'm gonna take out all these bolts right across here, all the way over. So go ahead and take out these bolts so I can go ahead and get ready to start the mounting process of the front lip. So that's what we're doing right now. All right, everyone, so I got the mounting, the pre-mounting done. So I'm just kind of showing y'all what the pre-mounting looks like here. So I'm actually using bolts this time, and I'm gonna use bolts and 3M tape. So underneath, I got a bolt right there, and I'm using the stock mounting points. Y'all can see right there. And then I got another bolt here at the end, and then I'm gonna put 2 more bolts, one right here, one right here. So I have 4 bolts, 4 original OEM mounting points, and then I'm gonna 3M this part and 3M that part. That should definitely keep this lip on, and it's looking good, man. It's looking good. So let me go ahead and get this part finished. All right, guys, so now I took the lip off and I added some 3M tape, as you guys can see right there. So I used some 3M adhesive promoter, wipe down the surface, and then put the 3M tape on, and then I'm gonna use the 3M adhesive promoter to on the bumper, and then actually mount it up that way. That adhesive promoter actually works really well, and it will actually help maintain the bond. So this is kind of what it looks like right here, and it's made by 3M, and it's a 3M adhesive promoter, which you guys can see right there. So now we're gonna go ahead and get back to putting this thing back together so we can get this lip installed, man. I can't wait to get another lip. Can't wait to get this thing installed. So let's go ahead and get that done now. All right, y'all, so I got the lip mounted up, 3M'd up, and it looks good, man. Fitment, I probably give it a 8.5 out of 10. There are a couple little gaps like right in here where it doesn't officially all the way flush touch, but all in all, it's pretty good fitment, especially for the price. So again, shout out to Rush Customs for helping me, hooking me up with this. Well, they didn't hook me up, I paid for it, but they got it shipped out pretty quick. So everything looks good. Got it mounted below. Put a bolt right here, bolt right there, bolt right here, and a bolt on the edge. And then I use the 4 stock mounting points right there. And yeah, man, everything turned out good. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put all the rest of the underpaneling back on, and we are good to go. All right, everyone, the lip is mounted and on, man. So let me get in a little closer, get a top down view for y'all. So that's kind of what it looks like there, man. Fitment, like I said, I say about an 8.5 out of 10, but it fits good, looks good. So it's a little dark right now, so what I'm gonna do is go ahead and get this car off the lift and you know, just drive home, and I'll be able to get some pictures and all that tomorrow. Finish up the video tomorrow, man, because as y'all can see outside, it's kind of dark. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this car situated and get it out of here, and I'll finish up this video tomorrow. All right guys, so now I'm back. It is the next day, and I just want to give y'all a little front end shot of the car, man. We're now with the front lip on. So I did a lot of driving this weekend, driving on the way home from the shop, and the lip is still on, man. So I'm super happy, man. Super happy. Again, shout out to Euro Empire. Y'all see right there on the hat. Again, for letting me use the lift, let me do the install, man, as y'all saw, man. So let's go ahead and look at the front lip right now. All right, guys, so y'all see the front lip right there. Zooming in, looks really good, man. No issues whatsoever. Definitely complements all the carbon in the front of the car, man. So zooming in a little bit, everything flows, looks good. And I like it, man. The lip looks good. I mean, I liked it before when I had it, you know. I just, you know, lost it. But this time I did it the right way, man. So no issues, no complaints from me on that end. All right, everyone. So that's the video. Want to keep it short and sweet. You know, I mean, I already kind of did a video on this and then I lost the lip. But this time I did it the right way, man. So it should stay on and I shouldn't have too many major issues, man. So again, shout out to Euro Empire. Also, shout out to Rush Customs for you know, notifying me and letting me know they had one of these, so I scooped it up from them and getting it shipped out super quick, man. I'll be putting, like I said, the link down below to where I got it from Rush Customs will be in the description, man. So that's it, man. That's the video. Appreciate y'all watching to this point. Please hit that like, subscribe button, comment down below, let me know what you think, and that's it. I'll holler at y'all later, man. Peace.